In this video, I'm going to show you 3 stocks that are currently yielding over a 9% dividend and why you should consider adding them to your portfolio today. Hey there, my name is Damien with Good Money, and if you're looking for high yield dividend stocks, then you've come to the right place. I'm about to show you 3 stocks that are currently yielding over 9% in dividends. And they're all paying at least quarterly, so they aren't just one and done dividend type stocks. All right, my number 1, PXD, which is Pioneer Natural Resources. This stock is currently yielding a 10.21 annual dividend. Pioneer Natural Resources is an American oil and gas exploration company headquartered outside Dallas, Texas. The company has been around since 1997 and they develop and produce oil and gas fields. They pay a quarterly dividend and have been pretty consistent about paying it for the past couple years. Earnings are pretty strong. For the past few years, they've been beating earnings expectations consistently. Except for this past one, they did miss it, but just by a few cents. The stock has dropped a little bit over the past year, but not nearly as much as some of the big tech companies who are down, 50, 70%. Oil is having quite its moment right now, so if oil prices drop, you would expect this stock to drop as well. But as long as oil stays strong, I don't see this stock dropping or getting rid of its dividend. Number 2, STR or Sitio Royalties Corp. Now this stock currently has a 9.85 annual dividend yield. So Sitio is a mineral exploration and development company. So they're an oil exploration and production company similar to the last stock. They operate mostly in Texas or the Northeast United States. They're headquartered in Denver, Colorado. So year to date, the stock is up over 50%. It started the year a little over $19, and as of today, it's sitting around $30. So not only did you get the growth of the stock, this thing has also been paying consistent dividends of just over 9%. Their earnings are a little bit up and down. Sometimes they beat big, sometimes they lose, but I know that they're buying more assets and oil is really having its day right now. So like the other stock, if oil prices do drop, you can expect this stock to fall as well and probably the dividend to fall. But with everything going on in the world right now, I think oil stocks are still going to stay strong. My number 3 high yield dividend stock is SFL. The company is also called SFL Corp. So SFL Corp owns and operates vessels. So they charter offshore ships, these giant container ships and tanker ships that haul oil or goods across the oceans. They basically just own these huge container ships that you see at ports around the world, and they put those on long-term charters. SFL's dividend just dropped right below 9%. I realized after I made this video, but they're right at 8.85%, so super close, and there's always the chance that they raise the dividend in the future. I really like this stock. I think this company is in a good spot. Shipping containers stay in high demand. Oil is still in super high demand, and they ship a lot of oil tankers. They're consistently beating earnings, so the most recent one they missed was Q4 2020. But overall, this stock looks like they're making a ton of cash and they're paying a lot of that out in dividends. The stock is really strong. It's up, 20 to 30% since the beginning of the year. The dividends have been paid out consistently. They haven't missed a quarterly dividend in quite a while. As long as the shipping industry stays strong, I think if you buy this stock, you'll continue to see these consistent dividends coming in. All right, that's it, everybody. Those are my 3 dividend stocks. 2 pay over 9%, and 1 actually I just realized is about 8.8%, but still super close, so I'm still going to include it with this video. If y'all got any other dividend stocks that you really like that have high yields, that's kind of what we're looking for, let me know down in the comments, and I'll make another video and do some research about those as well.